Let's see how to liquify an image in Canva. First, we need to open up a design and select the image we want to modify. In this case, let's just choose whiteboard. And as for the image, you can select any image. And in our case, let's just use this cute picture of a dog. After selecting the picture of the dog, you need to press edit on top. After that, you can see that there's a Magic Studio, Filters tab, Effects tab, and Apps tab. In this case, let's go to the Apps tab. Let's click See All, and here we can see Liquify. We click on this, and then we're greeted with different ways that we can liquify our image. We can choose Melt, it's gonna look like that, Wobble, Smear, Smudge, and Flow. Here we can adjust the amount of melt scale, the amount of wobble, the wobble scale, and smear. This is very up to you. And if you're satisfied with the amount of melt, wobble, and smear, we just simply click save. So it's saved onto our image. And that's it. That's how you liquify an image in Canva. See you soon.